Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for my friend Dwight in Texas on this Fatboy 6-pill. Beautiful little Fatboy here. It's got 6 Japanese soldiers in it. And we're going to be using a 220-290 AB1 biased Magnaforce. Alright, I'll first show you what it's doing. 1,000-watt slug. Hello, hello, hello. About 100 bird. I'm going to show you what amp's doing here on the AM side. October 29 driving the 2-pill and into the straight 6. Average power. Hello. About 650 bird. Peak power, low, about 1750 peak. Can't ask for much better than that out of a 6-pill. Okay. Now keep in mind, you get out what you put in. So if you run a radio with a little more bird or a little less bird, you know it's going to affect your performance. But anyways, Dwight, I hope you enjoy this beauty. We're going to pack it, double box it, and get it off to Texas. And this is a sideband biased amp. It's not just got the delay. Flip it down there and you've got your delay, and it has sideband biasing. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.